Let me make a few comments about this lesson. Uh, Writing the final report, certainly part four that you're going to write for the assignment, is the culmination of all the work you do in an investigation. You received a report, you decided who to interview, you visited the scene, you've recorded all of those events in the report format. At some point, you then summarize the evidence you collected, and now you have to draw conclusions. And those are the conclusions of fact on which the organization will rely when making decisions about what to do with all this information. One of the things that I always found disturbing was the fact that I could do everything right in an investigation. I could follow the methodology. I could systematically collect facts. And still, there remained the possibility I could draw the wrong conclusion. That is altogether possible. What we're hoping are two things. Number one, that you're so committed to methodology that will be a rare event. But secondly, I'd like to think that the organization is careful enough to understand that if other evidence emerges subsequent to the initial findings of fact, to the initial filing of this report, that it not feel committed to the initial report, and nor should you. If other evidence emerges at some point, you should not dismiss it as the case is over. In a sense, I'd like to think an inquiry of this sort is never over if something relevant does emerge that might change how the organization would address a person's guilt or innocence, or how an accident occurred and what could be done to prevent it in the future.